Today we are going to replace screen for iPhone 7 Plus. That's actually a broken screen, so we just need to do a replacement on that. The thing you need to make sure is that it has different type of screws, okay, like 3 types of screw. Okay, so you need to make sure you keep the screws on the same place, okay, like in an order, so you don't forget where the screw came from. Because if you're doing the screw on the wrong point, it can damage the motherboard and your phone might be dead. First thing is you need to disconnect the battery. So this front camera flex. Okay. We disconnected this flex from here as well. The LCD and the touchscreen flex. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll put this phone on a side now. Okay. So we'll just start undoing this phone. There are 4 screws for the home button connection. That's I'm putting all the screws from a place on the same place, so I'll know that where the screw came from. Like for this, I'll try to put them in an order. While doing this phone, specifically any iPhone after 6 or 6S, you need to be very gentle with the things. You shouldn't be in a hurry to do the things. So that's the speaker. Okay. And on the sides there are 5 screws. So I would recommend to use your nails or any plastic things to disconnect or remove this. Okay. The second most important thing in there, whenever you're taking this home button out from this phone, never ever try to pull just like that. It can damage it. You won't see damage physically, okay, visually you will not see any damage in there, but actually the home button get damaged, okay. And whenever you get the screen replaced and home button stop working, either your fingerprint is working, touch ID is working but not the home button actually working, or sometimes home button is working, not the touch ID. So what I do, and I will recommend all other people as well, to just use a bit of heat on that, on this side. So what it'll do, it'll bit loosen these things up. Okay, so don't put heat on the button actually, just put on the connection over here. And be very gentle with that. Okay, and that's the button is here. And for the front camera as well, I use a bit of heat instead of taking it out with any tool. Okay, so this phone came with the problem that the speaker is not working whenever you make call, like earpiece is not working as well. So what I found, that this connection with the flex that was broken. So what we'll do, we'll just remove this flex, okay, because in this case we need to replace with a new flex. This comes with the camera flex, earpiece, proximity sensor, so that's everything we have taken out from the screen. Sometime you need this thing, the camera holder, so you can just take it like that. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll get the new screen to replace. That is a replacement screen. That's an aftermarket screen, that's not original screen. Okay, so let's start putting things back. Only one thing I will emphasize while doing this thing is to be very gentle, very gentle. You don't need to be in a hurry to do this thing. So this is the way home button goes in, from front to back. Okay. So we'll align this home button. And for the same thing, you don't need to press very hard because it can damage your home button connection. So you need to align it properly and then connect it. Okay, so these things are done. I will just get the front camera flex. Hold on for that. So here it is, the new camera flex. I'll just remove this plastic thing. The easiest way to put this thing back is just to align these speaker connection. So once these speaker connections are aligned, everything goes easily. Okay, like that. Then speaker goes here on the top, and then this camera flex. So the camera sits on the top from the speaker, and then we'll put this holder for that. The screws goes the same way we have taken it out. Okay, so now we'll connect this thing with the actual casing. First we'll go with this. Then we connect the battery. Let it boot up. So that's here. So first thing we need to check is the home button. Yeah, that's working, and that's good. So everything's working. We will test the Touch ID. iPhone unlock the Touch ID. Okay. Okay, that's working. That's good. And second thing we need to test is the front camera, because we replaced that as well. Okay. Oh, that's working. That's it. So what we'll do, we'll pack it back. We'll power it off. this plate's back on there. So the same thing we need to do. We should take the screw where it should be. So the longest screw goes over here, where I'm screwing it back at the moment. Okay, and when we are putting it back, we need to go like from the top, and then from the sides. Okay, then the bottom screws. Okay, that's it. That was the video without damaging home button. Okay, without home button like stop working. Yeah, that's it. That's working. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.